This next story stopped a lot of parents in their tracks today. All public splash pads in Arlington are now shut down. A child died from a rare brain-eating amoeba after visiting Don Meisenheimer Park. And as Matt Howerton reports, the city says it's their fault.
The water isn't running at this splash pad in Arlington.
It's horrific.
And there is good reason. An 11-year-old now dead after visiting here.
We absolutely failed.
The mayor of Arlington taking full responsibility. The city says the child contracted a rare brain-eating amoeba around September 5th, dying September the 11th. Traces of the amoeba found here by the CDC.
We've had, I think, somewhere around under 150 cases in the last few decades in this country.
Tarrant County Health underscored how rare this is. An amoeba like this usually found in fresh water. You become infected when water containing the amoeba goes up the nose.
It gets up into the upper part of the nose and thought to follow basically the neurons right up through the plate into the brain.
We shut down all of our splash pads. We messed up. We screwed up, and we own it.
But newly elected Mayor Jim Ross says poor oversight by Parks and Rec likely contributed to the child's death. In a press release, the city admitting Parks and Recreation employees did not consistently record, or in some cases did not conduct, water quality testing that is required prior to the facility's opening each day. Another head turner, the day after the child visited, readings show that chlorination levels had fallen below the minimum requirement.
We're going to own it. We're going to see that this never ever happen again.
Ross stresses that drinking water is fine, overseen by the water utility. The family has lawyered up, though, and the city manager tells us he's expecting a lawsuit. But at this point, a courtroom may not be needed.
This happened under my watch. I'm the mayor here in this city, and the buck stops right here.
In Arlington, I'm Matt Howerton.